Welcome friends in your own channel US Physics. Let us learn today the first chapter of our 11th physics, measurement, in which we will learn physical quantities and their units. Physical quantity: any measurable property of an object, material, process or phenomenon is called physical quantity. Objects such as a book, a pen, a board, a table or etc. These are made from the materials like paper, plastic, wood, metals, etc. The process can be running, pulling, pushing, heating and so on. The examples of natural phenomenon are gravity, magnetism, dispersion, evaporation and many more. The measurable properties of all these are called physical quantities. The physical quantities are of two types: fundamental physical quantities and derived physical quantities. A physical quantity that does not depend upon any other physical quantity for its measurement is called fundamental physical quantity. Example: length, mass, time, etc. Short, the fundamental physical quantities can be measured directly. None other physical quantity is required to be measured before the measurement of fundamental physical quantity. A derived physical quantity is one which depends upon other physical quantity for its measurement. Before measuring any derived quantity, one or more other quantities are required to be measured. Example: area, volume, density, velocity, acceleration, force, energy, power, etc. For measurement of physical quantities, we are required to define units. Let us first of all understand what we mean by unit. A reference standard used to measure a physical quantity is called unit. Examples: meter, second, kilometer, etc. Let us elaborate unit. Consider a cylinder whose length is required to be measured. Before measuring length, let us define certain fixed length as our reference standard. Let it be called centimeter. Then an instrument denoting large number of these fixed lengths or centimeters is called scale. Thus, using this scale, the length of the cylinder can now be measured. Coincide the scale and the cylinder as shown in figure. From figure, it is clear that length of cylinder is equal to length of 10 reference units. Hence, its length is 10 centimeter. This is how the units can be used to measure the physical quantities. The units of physical quantity are also of two types. The unit of fundamental quantities is called fundamental unit, whereas the units of derived physical quantities are called as derived units. System of units: a set of some fundamental and derived units is called system of units. The generally known systems are FPS system, CGS system and MKS system. All these three systems were having three fundamental physical quantities called as length, mass and time. In FPS system, the fundamental units were foot, pound, second. In CGS system, these were centimeter, gram and second, whereas in MKS system, the fundamental units were meter, kilogram and second. Now let us discuss the most important system of units, which is International System of Units, in short abbreviated as SI system. The International System of Units is the modern metric system of measurement. The SI system was established in 1960 by the 11th General Conference on Weights and Measurements. The SI system is based on the 7 fundamental units, 2 supplementary units and many derived units. The SI system consists of 7 fundamental units. The unit of mass is kilogram. The unit of length is meter. The unit of time is second. The temperature Kelvin. Electric current ampere. Luminous intensity candela, and the amount of substance mole. Thus, the SI system has 7 fundamental physical quantities measured into 7 fundamental units. Their name and symbols are as shown in this table. Along with 7 fundamental units, the SI system consists of 2 supplementary units called as plane angle and solid angle. The plane angle is measured into radian, whereas the solid angle is measured into steradian. The SI system consists of many derived units. How these derived units are expressed in SI system, that we will discuss into our next video.